According to the website CarScoops, the Porsche Cayenne will change externally and get a completely new interior. The top version of the model will be equipped with a 700 horsepower hybrid unit. An updated Porsche Cayenne was spotted in Sweden. The crossover is undergoing final tests in the Arctic Circle and will be presented in the first half of this year. Porsche Cayenne 2024 is distinguished by changed headlights in the spirit of the Taycan electric car, new bumpers and a radiator grille, as well as narrower lights. The Porsche Cayenne Coupe was photographed in the Arctic, but the standard crossover will also undergo modernization. The interior of the Porsche Cayenne will undergo much more radical changes. It will be completely redesigned. The crossover will receive a virtual instrument panel, a new steering wheel and a miniature gearbox joystick. In addition, the spy photos show a changed center console with fewer buttons and a larger touchscreen. The new Porsche Cayenne will keep the 2.9 and 4.0-liter gasoline turbo engines, as well as two hybrid versions, but they will have increased power. The top version Turbo SE Hybrid was spotted on the tests, and it is known that the output of its power plant will be increased to 700 horsepower.